If you were asked to pick between these tomatoes, which ones would you choose? Based on looks alone, you would probably pick the ones on the left, because you think they look more like normal tomatoes. But in reality, the ones on the right, even though they look a little bit different, actually have a better taste and texture and can even be better for your health.
Most tomatoes that you see in the supermarket start off here on an industrial scale farm. To get a successful crop, the soil at these farms is pumped full of chemical fertilizers and the plants are blasted with more than 100 different herbicides and pesticides. And not all the chemicals stay behind in the fields once the tomatoes have been harvested. In some cases, residues of 35 different pesticides have been found on tomatoes destined for supermarkets.
In the US, the average fruit or vegetable travels 1,500 miles from where it was grown to reach your dinner table. To prevent damage during shipping, modern tomatoes have been bred to be tough, and are picked when they are still unripe and green. They are then chemically ripened in warehouses before they are sent to supermarkets. This production method has caused a decline in the nutritional value of tomatoes. According to the USDA, fresh tomatoes today have 30% less vitamin C and 62% less calcium than they did in the 1960s.
In contrast, the tomatoes that you can find at your local farmer's market are grown on smaller scale farms and are usually heirloom varieties, which are kinds that have been passed down through several generations of a farming family because of their valued characteristics. They are sometimes referred to as ugly tomatoes because of their abstract shapes and varying colors, but these characteristics only add to their flavor. Generally, smaller farms use fewer pesticides and herbicides than industrial farms. Their tomatoes are allowed to ripen on the vine because there is less distance between the farm and the market, and therefore less concern about damaging the fruit during travel. This extra time on the vine improves the taste of the tomatoes, and the shorter travel distance also decreases the carbon footprint.
So, now which tomato would you rather eat?